How's it going, YouTube? I got a parcel. This is the Extreme Rate Clicky Hair Trigger Kit, and it is to see your triggers in the back. Let's get my hands out of the way. Either way, there's a lot of press there. I think that's down to 6 mil, and when we're done, it'll be down to 1.2 mil. It'll be just a click. That's for your bumpers in the back and at the front. R1, L1, L2, R2. All you're going to need for this build is your wee plastic wedge, screwdriver, which Extreme Rate provide in the kit, and just to make things handier, to get the ribbons through, for tweezers. I've been using Extreme Rate now for, let me cheer up, I'm a bit of a short ass. I've used Extreme Rate now for about over a year, and I've got the remodel kit in the back, and I swear by it, I really do swear by it. You can remap the back. So this is bottom left for me is my X, bottom right O, square, triangle. Trust me, this is the SCUFF killer. For anybody that doesn't want to waste their money in a SCUFF that costs you 200 quid and is going to break in 6 months, get one of these. Hasn't broke yet. So there's a controller. So we'll open up the kit. This is kind of a guide, but I've never built this, so if I can get into it. Right, we're in. Right. So in your kit, you get your wee wedge, screwdriver, and an assortment of screws. You get your wee inserts for your bumpers. One-year warranty, which is that's actually quite good. That something at this price, this was only £12, and you get a 1-year warranty for it, which I think is pretty good. And then this is the heart of the operation, if you can hear that. Click, click, click. But that's what you change out. So, alright. We'll put the warranty away. I'll have a look at that later on. And what, we'll put the whole thing away. Right. Apart from my tools. And I think it's pretty good that Extreme would actually give you the tools to do the job instead of having to go out. So disassemble. I've got control freaks on, so pop them off. If you have anything else, take them off to have a burr looking like this. Bring it round so the back is facing you. Take your screwdriver, take your wee wedge, the wee wedge to the side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these out. I think it's good that they actually give you extra screws in case these go missing, which I think is pretty dope idea, to be honest. But we're not going to lose these screws. No, we're not. Because I'm going to put them back in the bag. Don't lose them. Right. Now I've done this before when I've done my remap kit. So, all you do, what I do anyway is probably not the right way to do it. I wedge one side, wedge the other, and then get your wee wedgie bar and go up easy. And this has been off a couple of times, so this is quite easy. It mightn't be as easy when you're doing it for the first time. So turn your bob way around, and you'll have an assortment of cables. Okay, let's try and get the right angle for this. Right, so remove this, okay, and remove your battery, because you don't want to blow yourself up. Okay, your controller will not look like this, because I've got the remap kit. I might do a video on it at some stage, but I don't know. And then take your wee screw out of the wee battery tray. Don't lose that screw either, and do not lose the tray. Right, and then this here, grab your wee wedge. This is your motherboard. This is the brains of the operation. Nice and easy. I'm gonna take this wee ribbon there as well. So put that this side. Because I've got the remap kit, I've got a ribbon attached as well. So, right, we can move this out of the way. Put it this side. Right, now you are left with shell. So, lift this ribbon up like that, and this here will just come out nice and easy. Make sure you double check that all your ribbons aren't caught, because you'll be sorry if you break them. Right, now you put this aside along with your back. And this is the wee face. This is what we're replacing. Let's try and get into it. Oh, we're in. We're in. Now remember, delicate. Everything here is delicate, so just take your time and go easy. That is what we're looking for. And this is what we're taking off. Put that to the side. Right, take your bumpers off. Nice and easy. If there's any resistance, just check what's going wrong, because you don't want to break these, because you don't have any spurs. But extreme rate do all different types of colours. They do, I think they do LEDs, they do all sorts. A very good product, I swear by it. I was at the stage where I was going to buy a SCUFF, and I didn't. I read loads of reviews about the SCUFFs, and that they break within 6 months, and to send them back and get replaced is an absolute shambles. I've had an extreme rate products for about a year, maybe over a year, and I've never had any problems. I've had to change a couple of the buttons in the remap kit, but that's down to me because I'm pretty heavy-handed. But to replace them at honestly 10 minutes. I have no experience in any of this. 10 minutes, done. Right, you take your wee rubber. Oh, that one fell out. Happy days. Don't lose any of this. Right, and now this is the delicate part, because if you ever want to go back to not having the clicky hair kit, you can put it back the way you want. So lift them up at the back. Here, this ribbon, delicate, very delicate, very delicate. Can't express that enough, how delicate this is. get it out of all the wee holders. Have to up everything. Take your time. Isn't a race. Because if you damage any of this, I know you're gonna put a new one on, but if you ever do want to go back to the way it was, you don't want to have it ripped. Everything is just delicate. Nice and easy. And then you're rubbing at the back as easy as you can. That's the way rubber wedge away. Right. So there's that out. I'll grab my wee wedge. So, old, new. Old one, new one. And there is pretty much the skeleton to your controller. Oh, skeleton to your controller. So, throw this one aside. Now, for the assembly. So, the exact same way that you took it out. Put your big ribbon in first. Again, delicate. Very, very delicate. But I do like the build quality of it. It's very, very sturdy compared to the stock that came with the controller. It's very, very sturdy actually. Get yourself a pair of tweezers. But it'll be very handy for you. Covered in back. The other side. Don't need the tweezers, but handy to have. Very handy to have. Back in. Oops. Hey. Cool. Plastic wedge. Go in. Shoot. That. Go. Put this to the side. Grab wee baggy inserts. So, I think there's spurs here as well. There is spurs. Separate them out. Which is for the bumpers, the L2 and R2 and the L1 and R1. And grab your bumper or your trigger. Camera doesn't really pick it up too well. Big teeth. Right. And there's teeth. That. All you're doing is pushing it in. For this part you can be road with because you have to get them right in. That's that one. Deadly, but that's it. Now, it's good that they gave you spurs. I appreciate actually about them. This bit goes. That. Forget that. Push it in. That one. Drop one. Don't worry. Lego spurs. Just push. But R1 or L1, R1, L2 and R2. And then you've got spurs. Put your spurs in the bag. Spurs come in handy. If anything was to happen. Back in the bag. Okay. That's time to put it together. So get your L1 and R1. Okay, good job. Ah. Good. Put them in the right place. Make sure your L1 goes to the L1, R1 goes to the R1. Make sure your left goes to your left, your right goes to your right. Oh. Yeah, with one. Click, click. Your R2. R2. R2's meant to go. This bit you can be more hands on with. So you have to get them. Oh. Sort of. Okay, grab your front plate. Do not turn that front plate up the other way around because potential losing the buttons and also your paper. Better off just not missing and leaving it alone. I've just missed it. It just fell out. Here you go. We're back in. Everything is place. Go back up again. Get your ribbon in for your bar. Oh here. Don't be stupid. Don't do that first. Do that first. Nah. It's not. Aha, catches. Right. So when you get your your wee plate on it. Brains the operation. Make sure to grab the front plate. Put it back. Easy. Back. Should be. Ribbon. Back. Make sure it goes into the wee hole board. Back. Boom. Deadly, worth it. There we go. Sure have it. And grab your backing plate. Suppose I have the remap kit. This will look different what you have. Not that much different. Lined up. Put your wee ribbon back on. The battery tray back on. In the right place. Wee screwdriver. That will catch the front plate. If the front plate's in right. Like so. And grab your wee ribbon. That's just for the light at the back. Just like so. Grab the battery. Make sure your battery goes on the right way. Do not make a mistake, because you'll be sorry. And then everything should just click back into place. Just like so. Now, get your wee bag of screws. I put my screws in here. They come with extra, but it's just you use them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like so. You put all your screws back in the bag so they don't go missing, because they're very, very small. Don't try and do this while you're eating a sandwich, because you need both hands. I have a sandwich right now. I know what I'm getting for my dinner. Ooh, we got a chippy last night. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, by the way, and a happy New Year. This video's going up before the New Year, so before the New Year and after Christmas. So I hope you had a good Christmas, and I hope you have a good New Year. From Jordy Scanlard, Malakiv. Oh, yeah. Want discount on your extreme rate products too? Go onto the Game and Cobra website and use code BrodyScanlad at the checkout. This video was not sponsored. I honestly, I swear by these products. I really do. I really do. Everything is. You haven't got that trouble no more. And then just put your Pro Freaks back on, or whatever you use. I just like the raised aspect of the trigger. And any parts that you don't use, make sure you put them back in the bag, because you'll regret it. You'll regret it. So you will. Grab your wee plate. There is a name for this, I just don't know what it is. And I wasn't researching it and found out what it was. But I call it a plate, call it whatever you want. Put that back in the bag. Bag. Doesn't want to go around the bag. Get in the bag. Doesn't want to get in the bag. Get in the bag. Get in the bag. There we go, in the bag. Alright, put my seat back down. Whee! So that is how you install. Everything's clicky, 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 clicky. Your extreme rate, clicky hair triggers. The customization options for extreme rate is endless. Endless, I swear by them, I really do. But if you do want to get a discount, go to the Game and Cobra website. It's a description, code BrodyScanlad, and get a nice discount at checkout. Want to see more of these reviews? Let me know in the comment section. Hit subscribe button if you want to see more of me. Stream pretty much every day on Twitch. Twitch.tv/BrodyScanlad. Look after yourselves. Have a good new year. It's BrodyScanlad. Adios.